Good morning, sir. Good morning, Dr. Eric Madera, sir. So, for the learning outcome number 3, at the end of the lesson, the students or the graduate student are expected to describe the general guidelines useful in developing educational tests, summarize the stages in test construction, point out advantage of well-prepared tests, write instructional objective in observable outcomes, and construct a table of specification. So, for number 1, we're going to describe the general guidelines useful in developing educational tests. The students will learn principles such as validity, reliability, fairness, and clarity and test design. So these guidelines ensures assessment aligned with learning objectives, minimum bias, and accurately measure students' performance. Emphasis is placed on clear instructions, appropriate item formats, and alignment with instructional goals to enhance the educational effectiveness. So, on our experience, before we are going to do the lessons, we have the DTS or the detailed teaching syllabus. No? So, our lessons being delivered to the students are based on the DTS written. No? We're going to hit the LO. So, that is the guidelines. No? For making an exam, first you are going to make an exam in accordance with the DTS. After making the exam, it should be reviewed by the qualified assessor. No? Then after reviewing, it should be validated by the program head. No? If it is already validated by the program head, then the dean will check and approve in accordance with the DTS, or the DTS is our guide in making the exam. For number 2, summarize the stages and test construction. So the stages and test construction, the first thing you are going to do is you are going to make a TOS or table of specification. No? After you are going to make a table of specification, then you are going to put all the questions, either it is lots or hats, you are going to transfer to your format, the test item. After it is transferred, it is reviewed. After it is reviewed, it is validated. After validation, it is approved. Now, if it is approved, it will go to the academic assessment office, then the reproduction will follow. So the student will explore sequential steps, defining objectives, selecting item types, drafting questions, reviewing for clarity and bias, piloting the test, and revising based on the feedback. So this structured process ensures that the test is accurate, psychometrically valid, and aligned with the curriculum standard, promoting accurate assessment of student learning. For the number 3, we are going to point out advantage of well-prepared test. So, of course, the advantage of well-prepared test, it is reliable. A well-prepared test enhances learning by providing reliable feedbacks, guiding instructions, and motivating students. It ensures fair evaluation, support curriculum alignment, and improves educational outcomes. Such test items reduce ambiguity, minimizing errors, and foster confidence among leaders or to the learners and educators, contributing to the more effective and transparent assessment process. For number 4, write instructional objectives on observable outcomes. The student will learn to formulate objectives using measurable verbs that reflect observable behaviors such as identify, analyze, or construct. These practices clarifies expectation, guides teaching strategies, and ensures assessment targets specific competence. Observe outcome facilitate accurate evaluation and support alignment between instruction, learning goals, and assessment tools. For number 5, construct a table of specification. So the main purpose of table of specification, so the student will develop a blueprint, or the student will develop our table of specification based on the DTS. No? This table ensures balanced coverage of topics and skills guiding item distribution and test validity. It serves as planning tool to align instructional objectives with assessment items, promoting fairness and comprehensive evaluation. For number 6, performance item analysis. The student will analyze these items using metrics like difficulty index, discrimination index, and distractor effectiveness. So this process identify flawed questions, improve test reliability, and enhance future assessment. Item analysis supports data-driven decision. So as practice in the school, after the item analysis will be given, so we have the 3. Either your questions are retained, needs revision. For the revision, either major or minor revisions, or it should be deleted because it is not aligned with your LO. So those are it is retained, revised, and it should be omitted from the test question after that one. Okay, that's all. Thank you.